Why, yes. I think I would like to sell my 50-inch LED Ultra HD TV for a nice large handful of Electroneum. We'll go ahead and put that up now.
Oh, well, hello there. I didn't see you. I'm O'Prius. You might be wondering to yourself, how can you earn Electroneum, Verge, cryptocurrency, or cash for your used goods like an LED HD Ultra HD TV? Well, I'm glad you did ask that. Stay tuned and find out how.
Nerdy dude stuff.
What's going on, everybody? And welcome to another video about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and all that good stuff. We are still continuing our bloodbath, red, murder, death, kill, Bitcoin dropped $1,000, $700 since yesterday's video. I think it was at 7.4K or something like that, and I made a joke about getting to the resistance level of 6.7K. Market cap is now encroaching 250 billion. It is pretty low. I would say I haven't seen this as low, but I have because I started at about 3,000 on Bitcoin. It's still pretty crazy. Ethereum, when I started, I think was only like 90 bucks. Now it's still 376, and I think it crested up to 2,000. So it is pretty crazy to see how much of a bloodbath we are in. We can attribute this to the news selling fear, like the Bitcoin death cross tidbits in the video that I covered yesterday talking about the Bitcoin death cross just being a cool name. I mean, I explained what it was, but the term itself is just a cool name. Anyway, that's not the point of today's video. If you watch the intro, then you know that we are going to be talking about the DitchIt platform. Now, we have our hands on today. I'm not going to share any links or anything just because they have asked me not to, but they said I can go ahead and show it. They don't want their servers overloaded just yet with people getting on and trying to go, but I am going to be showing you a little bit of hands-on time with the web version. Again, this is just an app. The things you are going to see, this is an app. This is just a beta. So the things you're going to see aren't necessarily going to be accurate. It's more of testing the platform out. There is a mobile app that is out that I'm going to be having my hands on very soon, where there are some active users making legitimate sales and trades back and forth. But this is just the company continuing to grow. So without further ado, let's take a look at the DitchIt app. So again, it's this is the homepage. You could search. Let me see. I've already set up my account, so let me see if I can log in here. So that way you can get a good look at the dashboard. Doobie doobie doop doop doo doop doo. So we are logging in. All right, cool. Now we are in. As you can see, As you can see, obviously, like these glasses aren't really worth $2,342. Those are pretty cool, though. There are a lot of wasted glass in the bottom for just wind up top. Still cool design. A toy pillow of Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon is not worth $343. But there are a couple of people putting up ads and testing them out. Like, I do believe that this BMW ad down here is legitimate. A couple of people listing buying and selling used in new iPhones. A lot of stuff based out of Las Vegas because that's where the developers are located, so you see a lot of test products there. And then you see things like, testing. That looks like a test. So this is the general layout that you're going to see, which is cool. And you see up here my profile, and it's, right now there's not a lot going because remember it's in beta mode and all that stuff like that. So you can see my profile, edit your profile picture. How many times did I say edit your profile? Run promotions on items that I'm selling. Nothing's available right now because we are not selling anything, and this is just the test phase. But let's go ahead and click on. This looks like an actual ad. Everything's going to have, like, description of the items, comments from users, and I believe, like, leaving comments and leaving reviews and stuff are going to be ways that you can earn Electroneum and DitchIt tokens and Verge, as well as, like, reviewing the seller. So there are ways to go about this to earn cryptocurrency while buying and selling things that you own and you want to purchase. Very simple, very easy, very user-friendly, in my opinion, on their website. I want to look at these glasses because, if I want to buy this, make an offer, exchange to buy, chat with seller. Let's just, for S&Gs, click exchange to buy. I don't have any products to switch yet, so let's go ahead and make an offer. Asking price is that I want to offer him $5. I can't leave the message blank. I'm not going to actually offer $5 for these glasses. But then what the whole purpose of the DitchIt platform is going to be, you can see here, test demo user. What the whole purpose of the DitchIt platform is going to be is that, yes, you can leave your pictures of the items that you're selling like you see on the screen, but then you could also exchange your Yes, you can exchange your dick, and we call that prostitution. It's legal in Las Vegas. You can exchange your DitchIt tokens for things like videos to promote your profile, promote your items as well. You know, obviously these are glasses, so they like speak for themselves. But you could then take your smartphone, because you're going to be doing it on your app, and you can record a video like, "Ooh, look at these glasses. Here's from the front. You could see there's no chips. You could see they're in perfect shape." So that's going to be the purpose of the DitchIt token, as well as being able to purchase and sell and earn and all that stuff as well. So very user friendly in beta mode. Search products right now, it's set to worldwide. If I put it near my zip code, obviously nothing's going to show up. There's going to be local crypto options: BTC, ETN, X, Verge, Ripple, Litecoin, BCH, ETH, and ERC token meetups, auto, ticket, services, gigs, housing. So it's very exciting to see this grow. Let's see what this is. It's very exciting to see this. Watch with a smiley face. You have to prove it to me, person. Sharindi in Massachusetts. So it's very cool to see this platform grow and change, especially, we look at their original website, and you look at the very, very, very first DitchIt video that I did, and the website was very basic, very baby, very like, and now it's got seen some complete changes, and now we have a tangible platform that is in the works, and it's getting exciting. So I believe it's too late right now to sign up for the DitchIt ICO for what the previous like 5-cent value, and I think they're selling them for about 50 cents right now for the DitchIt tokens. But they have extended an offer to me, since I talk about the platform on my channel a lot. And if you use the term, the promo code NERDYMONEY, NERDYMONEY, no spaces, they will honor selling you the token at 10 cents. With a 30% bonus still. Another thing that we're doing, if you buy $100 worth of the token, there is a potential iTunes, $10 iTunes or $10 Google Play gift card for you. So you'll just have to let me know if you did, and I will be happy to send that to you via email. So, anywho, up next, LendX is still a disappointment, is still in the shitter. Nothing exciting is going on except the content and the comments that have been asked of me. People have asked if I can show, selling and exchanging. I can't, because it makes no sense to me at this point. The lowest asking price is $14,899. They've had some sell orders, 45 tokens for $144, and then the person that actually bought them $144. They've had 20 tokens sell at $250, 0.00250, 0.00126. So let me go to my sell orders. They're just freaking sitting here like nothing. That's the cheapest, 37 tokens at 0.0013519. It's not going anywhere. And then I was just testing the waters and being ridiculous by putting them up for this much, but it's just nothing. Their internal exchange is busted. I don't understand why none of the orders are going through. Maybe it's just the developers prioritizing themselves over everyone else. And you've seen me enjoy this platform, and you've seen me promote this platform, but it's getting to the point now where it's after their first week, and it's worse than its first week. I would accept the fact that their coin dropped down to 72 cents still at the ability to sell and receive Bitcoin, versus them manipulating the market and manipulating the exchange. And obviously there's exchange manipulation, because the sell orders have been sitting there for 2 days and they have not gone through, when you very clearly see that people are purchasing for higher than what my sell orders are for. So I don't understand. And there's 1,375 worth of Bitcoin on sell orders, but they don't show any buy orders. So that's just, they really need to get it going. I think there's going to be a point where I still want to talk about the platform and like show it on my channel, just to drum up hype and hopefully help it recover and really push the developers to get their shit together. But at the same time, I just want to turn off the website and not look at it for like another month, because it's so frustrating. Their 24-hour chat's not there anymore. I did see them pop up yesterday, and I sent them a comment. They didn't respond to it. They still haven't responded to my missing $200 worth of Bitcoin, which I've tracked and I've done videos on. Videos about doing the videos that I do on YouTube, and their feedback on them. So it's just they're not helping me feel confident anymore. So I'm very 50-50 if I'm going to talk about them anymore, or if I'm just going to turn the website off and hope that they either just fucking exit scam. I'm sorry I said the F word, advertisers, or just get their shit together. So end of rant. A lot of people keep asking me about proof of weak hands. We do know there's a certain other YouTubers that are, and maybe that's also LendX's problem. We don't have the certain YouTubers promoting LendX, but everyone's talking about proof of weak hands. I have not looked into the platform. I have not researched anything. I think I've done like a quick like Google synopsis on what everything is, and you get the typical results. I mean, it's a pyramid scheme. There's pyramids all over everything. It's a Ponzi scheme, all that jazz. I'm gonna look more into it, and I am on the fence of throwing $100 of Ethereum into it just to play around and see what kind of returns, just so I have something else to play around, especially with the disappointment of LendX. But I don't know. I don't know how I feel. I think I'm just going to be 100% on DitchIt, and maybe, I don't know yet. I really don't know. If you have information or comments or anything about proof of weak hands, you're more than welcome to express those to me. I'm not for, I'm not against. I'm very in the middle, so don't think I'm shilling it or anything like that, even though there is a shill kit up here. Haha. Last but not least, to wrap up the video, we've got the gambling. We've got my favorite thing. We've cleared 30,000 Satoshis. Make sure that you're participating and you're active with the Satoshis and stuff, because then you get 80% of this value. Oh my God, where did my Satoshis just go? I saw it jump up. Maybe I just gave it away. No, I didn't. Okay. So make sure you click on the link that says free Bitcoin down below, and you are active by doing your hourly roll, and you're playing the multiplied BTC game, because in a day and 20 hours, I'm giving out 80% of my Satoshi value up here to the people that are most active. You can see that we've already given out 80,000 Satoshis. At that point, I could have had 111. If I didn't give everything out, I could have had 111,000 Satoshis of Bitcoin. But I don't. I'm not like that. I just think this is fun, and it's my cheap way to give back to the community. So you guys know, just set it to minimum, lose 3 times in a row, bet 10 Satoshis, good to go. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, guys. Let me know your thoughts, opinions. If you look at the DitchIt app, what I've showed on screen, if you think there's any ways that it could be improved aesthetically or visually or anything like that, I will share a link with this when they give me the go-ahead to share the link, so you guys can get some hands-on time before the platform goes live, if you are invested in this ICO as well. Let me know what you guys think, and I will be happy to move that message on to them. I know that the developers of DitchIt do watch my videos as well, so they will see your comments. So leave comments what you think. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do the bell thing, all that jazz. I'm O'Prius, and we'll see you guys next time.